Hey there, want to do a quick review on these ankle black socks that I've got off Amazon. Really like these. Hands down, probably one of the best ankle socks I've had for a long time. And I say that because they don't wear out easy. I'm really rough on socks because I'm always wearing the socks with Crocs. And when I do that, the heels always wear out quick because like the little pegs, so the grippers in the Crocs. So these have done extremely well though. They're built well. I think I've worn out maybe one sock, not one pair, but one sock so far. And I've been wearing these on and off probably since last summer, and we're coming into summer again. So almost a year I've had them. One sock down, that's been it. So really happy. For the money, it's great value. So if you're looking for something new, these ankle socks are perfect. I will tell you though, they run just a hair small. So if you're looking to get, just remember that. So anyway, I'm hoping this review really helps somebody out. I really like these. I personally would recommend if you're looking for something different, something new. So thanks for watching. Have a good one.